So the plan today is to kind of build a tool that generates an output similar to the Learn Unity pages. This Unity Learn platform is pretty big. It's not the intent to have such big platform. It's mostly this page structure with the sidebar, with the steps, like an introduction, each step explaining things like support for images, marking things as complete, incomplete. And I just really like this structure, and it's very friendly. So I'm already into some of it. I already have the planned how to approach this. I just need to get into the very details. So this is my to-do list for the stream. It's let's see what else we have. Generate HTML from the markdown file. I kind of have that already. Generate main content pages. Yeah, so this here, the CSS is build a CSS, not build, but code the CSS like Unity Learn platform. What else? Oh yeah, the mark steps as complete, incomplete. And of course also they support small screens pretty nicely with this overview on top. That's pretty cool. Okay, so support small screens just like Unity Learn. Okay, so for now let's keep this list. This list should be appearing on stream based on the other tool that I've built on my last stream. Let's go. So this is the simple entry point file for the CLI tool to grab the markdown file that I have here and generate the sections. I need to now read my template file for to actually have some content in here. So read file sync. Oh, grab the path to that file. Template index HPS compile. I need to use the string here, otherwise it's a buffer. Template. Yeah, so I need to build this data. I already read the content from the markdown files here and generate the HTML using markdown.render. So this template is basically to put the rendered pieces into the major template. So I need like the sidebar. Is this a thing? Sidebar? Not sure. Maybe side. Yeah, but I definitely am going to have the sections. Let's see on handlebars. I think there are some checks for like is first element or something. Helpers. Loud, like first. Handlebars is first element. How do I access? Oh, this is word 30. Okay, this is very old, but whatever. Handlebars works. Ah, yes, it's first like this. The first and last steps are noted via first. Okay, so this. Let's do this. Then class equal. So this is for the very first section here. I'm gonna say overview or summary. Each sections. Each. I don't use handlebars since long ago. I used to use mustache and handlebars before React was a thing. It's very good. Handlebars. Does handlebars has an else statement? Yeah, they do have else. I'm not sure I need else here, so my data is gonna be title, the title of the very first title from my markdown. So I believe I need to parse. Yeah, I will parse this and inspect the tokens, the markdown tokens. Where is the file content? Oh, I see. I do this for each file, so let's do this inside the file iterator. Okay, I have the content down here. Tokens. I'm gonna parse the contents. For now, let's grab. Wait, let's see how the tokens are structured. I think I'm going to iterate and get the very first token that has a title. What is this? Oh, couldn't find. No problem. Let's move this for now. Move the template file for now. Okay. Type heading open and then inline. Okay, so I need to. Do we have a parent? Markup info level nesting. I think I need. Yeah, I'll see what is the heading open. Then I get the next one. So tokens define index token, where token dot type. So this way I get the index of the first title index, and I'll use +1 here. Hopefully this is always the case, and I can get the content from the title. So yeah, let's use just, oops, wait, yeah, tokens content. So hopefully this is the title. Let's see how is it. Yeah, perfect. Introduction, okay. The sections, yeah, sections is an empty array. After iterating through the sections, yeah, wait a minute, I can map here, use sections.map section and just render the section. I may need to, yeah, let's see, maybe I can do this through CSS for the titles. Wait. So I want each title to have the numeric value. I'm probably going to need to manipulate this somehow, because yeah, I don't want the author to do this himself. So let's see how is data. It has, wait, it should have more than one section. It's all in a single section. How many sections there are? Yeah, it's 3 sections. It's an array. There must be a comma somewhere I'm not seeing. Yeah, I don't know. There must be. Then yeah, let's go for the first step. That is rendering the file. Okay. Then I call the template. I write file sync to the options that output. And my file name that I just want the very last piece of the file name. I mean the base name. I think it's base name. Just to have some return the last portion of the path. Yeah, base name. So I get the base name of my file. use HTML. The data is the result of the template. Yeah, so let's just have like HTML as a variable here to be clear. Let's see if this works. Error, undefined. It also has the MD. It's possible to extract the extension. Yeah, force MD here. But why the first is undefined? Undefined. Oh, it's out, not output. Okay, output. I guess there's no output directory yet. So I'm gonna use a package for this that is called mkdirp that forces creating a directory without throwing error. Yeah, it hasn't been updated in a while, but it should work. Import from, oh, the question is, does this support ESM? Maybe it doesn't. Sync options.output, create output directory, write HTML file into the out directory. Let's see, oops. Okay, no errors. Output, here's my HTML file. Okay, yeah, I have the title, have the sections, but the content, of the section is, should I use just a dot here? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I need to escape. I think it's a triple thing to escape. Not escape. Yeah, so now I have all the tags perfectly, and I'm going to serve this directory so I can install, I mean, look how it is formatted. Okay, very bare bones, but it's our first task. Generate main content page with sections. I mean, we do have that, so let's mark this as complete. Generate sidebar with titles. Okay, this is going to be more tricky. I was chatting with a teammate through Teams. Yeah. So. Yeah, let's first, I think this is gonna be trickier, so I'm going to try this task first. I'll put a priority on that. And then, yeah. So this is because I have a section tag separating each of them. I won't be able to do this numbering through CSS, so it must be from the content itself. Maybe, no. I was thinking if I could use handlebars somehow, but because on this page they actually have a tag, a special tag for this. So I believe I'm going to need to manipulate the HTML result, the rendered HTML from here. So yeah, I think I'm going to have the tokens for this section tokens. So I do a similar thing here. Yeah, I'll do that. So I can, for example, yeah, I'll duplicate this. So I have the title index, and the title, and this is going to be very strange and very workaround-ish. Get the title from the section so we can append the number of it into the rendered into the, so we can replace with the, yeah, I mean, very weird English. I hope it's understandable. So I have the title, section tokens. I have the title, and with the title I will replace the title with the title itself and the index of my section. Let's see, I think this is going to work. Then I refresh here. Nope. No. Nothing changed. Let's see what. Oh yeah, section tokens. Let me see, how is the title? Title introduction. Okay, sounds good. Okay, now I have, but the first one is, yeah, I can simply ignore, because this is the 0, but it's fine to be 0, so I can use the raw index of the array. Okay, generate again. Oh yeah, the 0. I will ignore the 0. So only if, yeah, I'll replace only if it's higher than 1. Yeah, so no need to do that if it's the summary. No need to. What's your rubbish? Hey, Purple A. Hello, that's I mean, that's very unrelated, but I was thinking of a bot which can automatically detect a change value in total ads placed on a website like eBay. Not eBay. How should I start, and is it illegal? I mean, if you're gathering open information and doing whatever you want, that's not illegal. There are scrappers and a lot of tools that does just that. So if it's open information, if it's public, it doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want with it. But I don't get what about the ads question. That, yeah, I'm not sure what you mean by detect change value in total ads placed. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, sure, I think you can do that. Yeah, why not? Not illegal at all. So, okay. Yeah, only use a dot here as well, just to be the same as they have here. Okay. Yeah, so this is, I'm not I don't think I'll be able to have a structures like this sidebar. I think I'm only going to be able to have it like this, which is, I mean, fine for now. But ideally, I wanted to have this nice separations. Yeah, should I start with the CSS? Let me see. Okay, this is done. Sidebar is titles. Well, on the website, like you can find total PC ads placed today and an hour later. I I see. Yeah, sure, you can totally do that. I mean, there's you probably know of this Puppeteer. If you know Node.js, this is very, very handy. You basically automate Chrome, and its API is very simple. There are people building services and paid services out of this, and it's mostly the infrastructure that is hard to get, because the scripting and making a prototype out of this is very, very simple. You can like find the tags that like you can use regular JavaScript like query selector all, like find the ad, and I mean it's all scriptable and very easy. Okay. I wonder how could I have this structure in the sidebar, because there are different tutorials. Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's the thing. Maybe from different files. So let's say this is a project 1, and each file could be a different square, but then I need to numerate them, maybe like this 0, 1. Or maybe I could, yeah, this is the overview. Interesting. Yeah, I'll save it for later. It's a task to combine multiple files into a project tutorial. This is hard. The hard part. So, not sure. I think this sidebar task I'm going to postpone after we have the combine. Support small screen should be okay. Mark steps is complete. Okay. What is this? Oh, did it try to parse a PNG file? Remove this log and also file. No such file or directory. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, he did try to parse a PNG file. Okay, I should only filter. Yeah, I should filter only for the markdown files. So files.filter. File. This ends with, I think. Yeah, I think it is MD. So So only markdown files. Okay. It's working again. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait, I can't. Yeah, I'll move again the sidebar task. I think I know how to do this. I'm going to extract all the titles. So yeah, there's 2 passes necessary for the files here. So there's going to be, yeah, it's going to be required to pass, to iterate twice through all the files. So I iterate through the files, I inspect their contents, get their titles, generate a sidebar for each one of the pages, I think. Yeah, but this is a different pages getting started with. Interesting. It's kind of similar to what I'm doing, this structure. Yeah, I'll really copy what they have. So the second pass is not necessary, but I will need to iterate. Yeah, it's, I mean, let's see, maybe, I'm not sure what I'm talking about. So I'm starting to get hungry already. Oh, need to call for my lunch, sorry. This, okay. Pix. Entrega no Pix. Desconto Pix. Não. Cadê Pix? Ah, pera. Ah, reduzir o desconto, era 10% Pix, agora é 7% Pix. Que triste. 7% Pix. Bem, e 10% Pix, não tem mais não. Não, vai ter que ser 7% Pix. Pix Entregar aqui. Então, pera. Mastercard. Pix. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. I'm hungry. Starving, actually. This is very fun. I mean, I wasn't expecting to have this fun doing a structured tutorial thing. Okay, that's it. I'll get some coffee. Hello, hello. Are you from the Netherlands, Purple A? Okay, so where am I at? It's the sidebar titles. Okay, so I'll create a function to extract the title. I mean, I'll do this inline file. Yeah, I'll definitely need second pass on all of it. So let's say files. Oh, I already have files. Okay, so files equals files.filter. Yeah, so I'll filter the files up here. Very first thing, I filter the files. Only consider markdown files. But yeah, but I need to also copy copy image and other files. Yeah, to my to-do list, copy image files over to output directory. New Year resolution is to become more healthy. I mean, more healthy lifestyle, whatnot. So after having the files, I'm gonna have the titles, I mean sidebar titles, and I'm going to map all of the files first. Yeah, then I need, yeah, actually it's going to be content first, sections data, then file, and I'll do very similarly as it is here. Oh wait, each file has the contents split. Yeah, but I don't need to split the contents as long as I have the titles parsed. Okay, so each file is a square like this, is a tutorial. Each file is a tutorial, but a combination of all files is a project. Okay. Starting to hit the slide list. I mean, blocker, mental blocker, I would say. Okay, so let's think this through. This sounds like I'm getting a notification. Yeah, this is 3P, man. Let's skip this music. Still, this is too 3P. Okay, so I only need the very first title of the other files, and the current file I get the titles inside. Okay, so titles, and yeah, maybe an image as well. The image I can handle later. So, tutorial, all titles. So I get the file, parse the content. Yeah, I don't need to read the file many times. File. File contents. So instead of contents here is, yeah, oops. Contents. This could be file contents, as I already have read here, cached. So yeah, and I only extract the title. Wait, I can have a function that only extracts the title. So let's say extract title, or parse title contents. Then I do exactly this for any content string. Return this, tokens, index. Okay, parse title. Wait. It's contents. Okay. Okay, so this should be the title of each file. All titles, which probably is not going to serve me very well at this moment because I only have one file. Is MD not defined? Wait, oh, wait. Oh, I only have MD on this context. Let me put this one level up. Okay. Yeah, all titles. Introduction to visual scripting. It's the title there. Okay, still everything the same. All good. I'm going to create a new markdown file. Second portion of the second portion. Okay. Copy just as an example. Set. Oops. Second portion. Tutorial. And also have a third portion. Third portion of the tutorial. Okay, now when I generate, I'm generating 3 files. Sounds good. If I go here, I have 3 files. Yeah, let me remove this Galicias with TypeScript. Should I remove the contents of the output? Not without confirming with the user. Yeah, let me add another to-do list. Remove existing contents on output directory. Let me manually remove just so this don't bother me. Okay. Introduction, second portion, third portion. Okay, the sidebar. What is the proper tag for sidebar? Is it side HTML tag? I think, yeah, aside, side. This is my sidebar. That is going to have all my titles with links. So not only a title is going to be necessary, but also the file names. Let me say file name is going to be this. File name, the generated file name, and the link. Oh, I smell food. I'm starving. Data sidebar is gonna be an array with all the titles, title, Yeah, I'll return an array containing the first element being the file name and the second. Wait, that's not gonna work. Yeah, maybe I should call this a sidebar and return here the file name and yeah, I'll duplicate. Not great duplicating code, but it's what I got for now. Bars. I mean, I'll use the file, but then I have the entire path for the file. Yeah, let's duplicate. Put a fix me, don't duplicate path.base name here. Now that I have the sidebar, let's iterate each sidebar. I think handlebars has like index and value tags. Let me see. Handlebars get index. Yeah, index, and this kind of strange, but it's how it is. And create a div. My lunch is gonna arrive in 90 minutes or so. It's not bad. I mean, probably at the very same time the meeting starts with the team. And I'm starving already. Okay. I need to check also, yeah, the file name exactly. Now I have the current file name being generated available as file name, and I'm not sure if I can test if the sidebar is the current file name only. Wait. Instead of index, I'm gonna use this 0 and this 1. Let me see. Oops. Each sidebar. It's like this. I think, let's see, yeah. Okay, introduction, here's the file. I also need the image. Do I have this here? Copy. Support preview image for each tutorial file name. My task list just grows. The inline style. I'm not going inline style. Gonna have an actual theme file. Body. What is the font face they use? I'm gonna really copy. Whenever it's good, you copy and modify. Okay. Enter. What is this font? Enter font family. Probably not free. Oh, Google Fonts. Is it free? Enter. Yeah, I can use this font. I'll use it then. Probably not a light font. What is font? Weight 400. So I'll get the 400. It's 400 is very heavy. What if I change the font? Oops, change the font. Wait. Let's do so light. Okay, extra light. Then yeah, let's select this. Maybe I'll change later. So I can do this through CSS. So let's do this through CSS because it's easier from the theme file. The body, specify the font. Then, oops, need to change. Oh, wait. I need to. Yeah, I need to copy the CSS file. Let's copy the CSS file. Right, file sync. Not at every iteration, but copy theme files. Let's copy the theme files first. No, latest. File options.out. Let's say theme. Do I have glob installed? Fast glob. No. Probably should offer the theme as an option. Theme name. Theme and default is theme. Actually, theme path. Template theme. Okay, now theme CSS fs read file sync. Yeah, I'll read the theme file and write it again. So read options.theme. Oops. To string and write it to file path.base name theme. Just copy over the theme contents. Let's see if that works. Yep, here's the theme CSS file. Now I need to link the theme. Yeah, this limitation, so every, wait. I could allow different theme file names. So, yeah, wait, no. I could allow different, but I'm hard coding the template. Theme path. Yeah, let's assume every theme has theme, the CSS name. Okay, it's easier. So every theme is just called theme.css. So even if you have a default theme, for example, yeah, let's call it default, for example, and it should be named as theme when converting. Okay, and I have the link for the theme everywhere. Sounds good. Done. Okay, now the custom font is here. Okay. What is a very minimal CSS framework? I just want some free styles that could make this look kinda, I mean, good-ish. Not sure I'll trust the website that looks this bad for CSS. I mean, with all the respect to the authors, but I don't like this. Let's see if this makes any difference. Please use with TypeScript. Yep. I'll just have my own. Okay. On the sidebar. Yeah, now I need the specific items for this particular demo, I mean particular tutorial portion of the tutorial. Okay, I need to check if the can I have like if a expression handlebars if handlebars if expression logical operator. No. This is from 9 years ago. Is it still relevant? Handlebar supports nested operations. This provides a lot of flexibility. Or okay, the helpers. It's only through helpers, I think. So yeah. Maybe I should I write a helper, or should I just, I'll just prepare the value as it should be. So sidebar for the current file, I'll clone object that assign sidebar. Wait. How do I clone array JavaScript? Yeah, that's how you code JavaScript. Okay, yeah, of course, yeah. Sidebar, and yes, that's what I need. So file name equals the sidebar 1. So the third, that's not intuitive when reading the source, but yeah, I should make this more intuitive. So let's return object instead. Hey, Happy New Year! Core activities, nice username. It's all good. I mean, 5 of January. I'll have vacation only next month, but it's all good. I mean, how are things with you? Title and file name. What's happening? Oh yeah, sure. File name, title, yeah. Then I can actually clone the sidebar value here. Adding like is current, like current exactly, so I can test if it's the current value from the template, I mean the current file. That's not looking very great. Okay, so if current, so I can use actually title here and file name, and if current is current, let's generate and let's see. Do I see current? I don't see current. Still on holidays for a couple of days. Also doing some coding. Cool. Yeah. I hope you like Brobol. I'm going to. I'll go back to Brobol soon. I'm doing some structuring for Colisius tutorials for now. So this is a. I want to mimic, copy basically the Unity Learn tutorial structure, so we can generate tutorials for, organized tutorials for Colisius. So this is just testing the generator. So the idea is to have a markdown file that a couple of markdown files. So from here we could have a structure like this. I really like this, very big steps, so you have a feeling of completion. And yeah, I think the Unity guys really nailed this portion of like a structured tutorial. So that's the goal. I should have seen the current file somewhere. Sidebar file to the current. Oh, it's not. Okay. Let me see. Cool, thanks. Glad you liked it. It's the next version I'm preparing is basically replacing the assets. The client-side prediction is not great. Is if you disconnect from the internet, you'll see that the client moves ahead, but whenever the server responds, it corrects its position. So you might it might feel a bit strange sometimes. So you think you're moving somewhere, but the server hasn't confirmed yet. But so yeah, if you have a distant connection from the server, it can feel a bit laggy and strange. So is it possible to do it like this? No. Zero, 1, 2. Wait. Sidebar. Oh, of course, I'm using a map. Yeah, it's WebSockets. It's using Colisius, which is it's on top of WebSockets. It's a framework for making multiplayer games. It's this thing. There's gonna be a new version, hopefully this month. It's already ready, the new version. But we are waiting for the hosting service to support it before releasing. So yeah, so it's correct to be an array. So title, file name, yes. JSON. Yeah, I'll clone the lazy way. Stringify sidebar JSON.parse. So I'm sure this is a clone. Let's call it section sidebar, current sidebar. So this is the current sidebar. And on the current index, I'm gonna say this is current. Okay, this should do. Current sidebar. Let's generate and see. Okay, it's current. Then if I go to the second one, it's current the second one. The third is current the third. Cool. Okay. Yeah, another task is adding add watch mode to regenerate all files. I mean, not all files, but yeah, you get it. Generate files. I'm just a hobbyist. Oh, thanks for the follow. So real-time multiplayer is a bit. Yeah, you know what? Maybe not, because that's the purpose of Colesius. Actually, is to make things easier. So if you try that out, I hope that you that you do find that easy, because it's the objective of that project is to make multiplayer easier. But indeed, I agree with you. It can be very hard, especially if you want like physics and whatnot. Then it's beyond anyone's capabilities. There are like full games that made their entire engines because of physics. Okay, so we have the current. So if it is current, then I'm going to display the secondary list. I see. Yeah, I mean, it was made for solo developers actually, but there are a few teams using it. Just the prediction and efficient slicing. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, prediction and Yeah, all these concepts like reconciliation, and it can be very tricky to get right, and it depends also on the gameplay, because yeah, this is very related to netcode, as they call it, that sometimes some very tiny math can impact the gameplay, I mean the perception of the user of the gameplay. Okay, now we need to separate the current. The current sidebar. I have here a list of sections. Let's call this rendered sections. So this is the rendered sections, and for instead of having current, I could simply use like a child sidebar thing. Let's say sections. Yeah, I need the titles actually. Yeah, wait. So this sections is an array, then. Oh, this doesn't feel good having two eyes as iterators. Do you use Tree.js? For Brawl Ball, I'm using Pixie.js. Pixie.js. This one. This is mostly for 2D. It can also do 3D. It's experimental, the 3D features. It's a very good library. I mean, I like it. It's for graphics. There are no they don't support like complex stuff like collisions, whatnot. You need to do that yourself. There's some cool 3D things here. Where is it? Projection, yeah. 3D runner. 3D cards. Yeah, this is cool. Like, camera is fine. Yeah, this is kind of 2.5D, as they call it. It's cool. I recommend it. Rendered sections, print sidebar sections. Oops, here's I, J. And this section is gonna have a title. Right, it's gonna be like this. Only J is equal to more than 0. Title is here, and file name, I mean href, I think. I wonder how. I mean, if the markdown parser already has like the link for this header, maybe on the heading open portion. And sections, if there are sections, each this, not sure. Li title. Let's generate again. Yeah, let's see, heading open, markup, inline. Yeah, I don't see the link for this, the anchor. Markdown-it token anchor. Header anchors from markdown-it. Oh, is this a plugin? Yeah, so we're getting a bit deeper on the markdown parser. Not sure if it supports anchors out of the box. Headers out, some people are asking, so yeah. So I think anchoring is not supported by default. Auto link anchor generation. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, this is an official thing. Links recognition library. But how do you use this demo? Ah, it's for, yeah, that's interesting as well. But it's not what I was looking for. I was looking for anchors. Add to the list. Use linkify add package. I was looking for anchor. Wait, I can see the sources if there are any anchors. Yeah, there are no anchors on the H1. I will need anchors. Okay, let's try this. This should be good enough. Let's see md.use. What is these minimum levels apply anchors and array of selected levels. Slugify. Interesting. Slugification function. A function to render permalinks. See permalinks below. Okay, let's see. What is this? Permalinks. Wait. instead of single default way of rendering permalinks. I mean, let's try this later. We'll go with the default options, see how that works. Oops. Generate, what? Oh, request, oh sure. I need to import markdown-it anchor from okay. Cool, now I have the IDs generated, so I can have does it prevent duplicated? Well, let's hope there aren't gonna be duplicated titles. And we have injected, okay, we have injected in the token attributes. And I think I can have a map by providing, yes, I can instantiate the attributes as a map and access the ID. So, which token has the map? The heading open token, perfect. So, find index. I need both, I need the index and oh, again, this music with notification sounds. I don't like this. JavaScript array find item with index. This, yeah, index off. Okay, let's just find and get the index layer. So title index equals section tokens index of the token that we've returned here. So this is the title. Oops. Title token. Okay, and the href is gonna be attrs. Oh, can I get? Perfect. attr get ID. Now, yeah, that's it. Then I can link. Have a link with the href. I'll call it ID instead. Let's generate again, see the output. Oops. Title. Why there are no content on my list? Title. I do have the numbers, and it should have been only two items, not three. Oh, because of this, I'll just push instead of setting, because J is 1, so yeah, it's iterating over the 0 as well when generating, which is not necessary. Okay, well, at least I thought that was happening. This is the sections. Let me remove all these logs because I'm getting confused. Oh, I guess my to-do thing is getting distracting. Should I move my to-do to elsewhere? The chat box is not appearing as well. Why is that? Yeah, it should have been appearing. It's not appearing. Yeah, I'll remove the chat box, I guess. Yeah, let's hide the chat box and move this here. I think it's a bit better this way. Increase the height of this, like 600. Yeah. It's good enough, I think. Okay. So there are only one. Yeah, that's two. If each sections, of course, then I generate again and it should be good. Okay, that's it. Now I have the links working here. This is starting to have the structure that I want. Cool. Yeah, almost ready to code the CSS. Let's flag this as complete. It's not perfect, but need to reiterate on the sidebar. Actually generate the index for whole project. Code CSS, mark steps as complete. Okay, let's do the CSS now. Gonna copy what they have here, color picker. So theme. Oh, let me add to git ignore the output file. Output. Oops, I haven't. This is dangerous. I'll create the repository, otherwise I'm gonna regret it. Okay. project. Whip. And markdown. By K. First commit. I still use master. I mean, I have muscle memory for using master, and I find main a bit distracting to use as a branch name. Oh yeah, the words per minute. I forgot about that. Estimate tutorial. Time to read estimation for particular for each for current section, and time to read estimation for whole project. Okay. I'll have to pause the stream in a few minutes. I'm going to continue for now, but soon my lunch is going to come and I'm starving. Okay. Tutorial. Generator. Markdown. And markdown to HTML. Okay. I'm gonna link Twitch for now here because I'm streaming this. Ooh. Okay, this is distracting. Okay. Let's go back to my CSS. Section, first child, background, oops, this color here. Let's see. Of course, because it's not the very first child, I need to have a wrapper, so actually use the first one. Oops, regenerate. Isn't it? Okay. Remove the padding or margin. Is it from the HTML? Oh, I hate this. Simple CSS reset. Minimal CSS reset. Published by alligator.io. What is this? Okay, so this is a CSS reset. Okay, that's okay. Need to have my own margins and all that. That's no problem. Okay. How is this color here? .166. Yeah, I should have the watch mode as soon as possible. This is getting annoying to regenerate all the time. Okay, they have some nice details like this bullets. They are white. They are not following the font color. Yeah, they do using B4. Interesting. Yeah, interesting. So, section UL has display, nope, list style, no. This is for the bullets. B4. Let's see here. Oh, I don't have margin, so it's not showing anything. Margin left 1 EM. Where's my white thing? My white bullet? Background. Oh, background color. Oh, it's here. It's up here. So LI needs to be relative position. Relative. Then it's going to show up. Yeah, not really. Strange. Okay, maybe the section needs to be relative. I'm too bad at CSS, oh my god. Not really, okay. Yeah. I mean, that's, oh yeah. This is not too bad. This is positioned correctly. I mean, it's on the ULIs. Okay, just need to fight this positioning. Right. They are black like this, unless it is the first one under the first section, first child. Then the background color is white. Okay, and the headers are also is it fully white or yeah, fully white. I think CSS has a new thing that could combine the H1 and the H2 here. Don't recall exactly what is the property, I mean the function name for that. I'll keep it like this for now. So, okay, my title. So one thing that is nice is big margins and big font sizes. The font size here is, I may need to go at any point right now. Font size 18 pixels. Okay, and the title 24. So H1 font size 24 pixels. H2. Oh, this is a div, not an H. Oh, it doesn't matter. It will be an H for me, H2. Yeah, I'll use the same div. The bells, church bells. Margin bottom 0.5. Oh, the UL has a very large margin. Yeah, not really. Let's comment this out and I'll add the yeah, let's add the big margin for the UL. Okay, not too big. That's too big. Like 1.5. Oh my god, my launch is going to delay. Hey, thanks for following. I was like trying to order my lunch. Yeah, I'm not sure if you came here from Twitch or GitHub, so not sure you know what I'm trying to do here, but let's have some fun. Needs to be negative instead of 40 pixels. Let's see, minus 40. Nope. Minus 1 EM. Okay, minus 1 EM, or maybe more than that. Minus 1.5. Minus 1.2. Substitutes here. Minus 1.2 EM. And the left margin for the UL needs to be a bit bigger. Okay, slightly better. And they have good spacing between each item. Yeah, it's here, 12 pixels. Let's copy everything. Margin bottom 12 pixels. Regenerate. Okay, it's, yeah, big, nice and clean. The line spacing is very big as well, so let's copy their line spacing. Line height, 30 pixels. Hey. Oh, cool. I'm glad to hear that, Mr. Doi. Thanks a lot. I'm glad that you're here. Line height. Could it be EM inside body if the font size has just been defined? Okay. Increase a little bit. Not sure if I should increase the whole body or only the B tags. Yeah. These big texts are only for this first section. Interesting. Yeah, so this is only for the first section. Big line height. So the first section is very big. Okay, and H1 not first child is gonna have a margin top. So, oops, it should have. Does it have margin top? Oh, this is H2. Okay. Also H2. I need to do some coding now. Cool. Nice that you've been here. I want to do this more frequently, and feel free to suggest anything, or if you have any questions about Colesius, they are very welcome here as well. So have fun and have a good year. See you around. All the links, they are slightly blue. Yeah, I'll copy even the blue. A color. And they have a tooltip. Cool. I think this is a JavaScript for tooltip. Yeah, I I can do this later. Tooltip links. Okay. Yeah, the introduction is okay. Now the sections. No, not like this, but from the tutorials. Yeah, really big blocks of sections. In the end of the section, there's the mark step. On the end of the section, mark step as complete. And it's like a button. Should I use them as a checkbox instead? I think I will. Yeah, really nice button. Cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Use like label for each section must have an ID as well. So yeah, I'm not at this stage yet. One step at a time, and we'll put a check. Is it checkbox? I think it's checkbox. Yeah, let's comment this all for now. And between each section, there are these connections. So if unless last, I will generate the separator. How do they call the separator? They call it call it separator. That's separator. Step separator. So section, not section, it's, yeah, step separator with 4 pixels, display block, margin 0, auto, background. Let's see. Where are the separator? Oh, they have no height. Let's say height is 2 EM, 4 EM. Okay. This is getting really cool. Yeah, I'll copy the background as well, background color. Background. And oh, again, this song with notifications. I don't like this. With 2 pixels and height 80. So with this 2 pixels and height 80 pixels. Cool. Okay. It's starting to get in a good shape. Oh, and this connector is not in the first one. Okay, so the first one has no connector. Unless first as well. Unless whatever, unless first. Unless first, unless last. Separator between each child, each step section. Add separator, okay. Okay, the first one does not have it, and the second has it. Coolio. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up for now. I'll be back in 2 hours or so. Thank you for all that have been with me, and I hope to see you later. Feel free to send, to chat and propose any topic or anything really. Bye bye.